My laboratory, the Companion Animal and Translational Science Lab, or CATS Lab, focuses on feline diseases or companion animal diseases, and then how those can be translated to help the human medical field. So specifically, we focus on a couple diseases. One primarily cytozoonosis, which is endemic here in Oklahoma, the Oklahoma region. And we look for ways to mitigate that disease in domestic cats. But we also have a larger project looking at COVID infection in domestic cats and how that can be not only used to inform pet owners, but also used to study the disease and potentially discover new applications that might be applied to the human medical field. We're still in the early stages of really investigating the link between domestic animals and COVID infection. The most important thing that we're learning is that because it infects animals the same way as humans, we're able to look at the way that it infects these animals, look at the way that it affects their clinical signs, their shedding, and we're able to adapt that or use that to gain insight in how we might combat this disease in humans and animals alike. The thing that excites me the most about the research that we do is the potential for us to not only help domestic animals or our veterinary species, but also then to translate that into applications that we can then help humans and help advance the medical field. So this idea of translational research is really exciting, and it provides an opportunity for veterinarians to help a larger cohort of individuals. As scientists, we're always developing hypotheses or ideas and ways to test and push the boundaries and advance science and technology. And in doing so, not everything works. In fact, about 99% of the time, our ideas, they don't work. But when you find that one thing, when it works that one time, that makes it all worth it, and that's what's exciting, truly exciting about research.